Hey everyone! Welcome back to Grow My Savings. Let me ask you something. How many times have you planned to save money, only to forget or spend it instead? Don't worry, you're not alone. That's why today we're diving into one of the simplest, most effective financial habits you can build, the set it and forget it method. It's all about saving automatically, so you don't have to rely on willpower or constant reminders. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to set it up and how to make your savings grow quietly in the background. Here's how the method works in 3 easy steps. Pick a savings goal. Maybe it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or your first investment. Knowing your why keeps you motivated. Set up automatic transfers. Log into your bank or finance app and schedule a weekly or monthly transfer from your main account to your savings or investment account. Even $10 or $20 at a time adds up fast. Keep it separate. Use a different account for savings. One you don't touch often. Out of sight, out of mind means out of temptation. Once you set it, you literally forget it and let automation do the work. There's a reason the world's best savers and investors automate. It removes emotion and excuses. You save before you spend, not after. You stop overthinking or second guessing. You stay consistent even when motivation fades. And the magic? Over time, those small automatic amounts compound into something real. It's like planting a tree, one seed at a time, growing quietly while you live your life. Automation turns good intentions into results. Want to take it further? Here's how. Increase your auto savings every time you get a raise. Like even 5% more makes a big difference. Automate investments too, not just savings. Apps and brokers let you invest automatically in ETFs or index funds. Name your accounts, label them things like Future Me or Dream Vacation. It makes saving fun and personal. The less you have to think about saving, the more successful you'll be. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you're ready to make saving effortless, start today. Set it, forget it, and watch your money grow quietly in the background. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who struggles to stay consistent. And don't miss our next episode, the Paycheck Plan, how to make every dollar count